Guys,
Oh, it's capital.
I'm doing a test.
How's the wrist coming along, Brian?
It's coming along.
All right.
That's good to hear.
We have a static wrist. That's what we have.
Yeah. So
No one's near it, right?
You're gonna go.
you just make sure the
Do one. Perfect. It's your angle perfectly.
Benji, why don't you approach it and come at, or just go at it?
Oh yeah.
Is it gonna work?
Benji, you're gonna hit the wall.
Don't worry about it. It just does it.
Okay.
It's a tank. It's a monster. Those Maxims are huge. It has all the torque it needs.
Hell yeah.
Oh
It has
my
all the
God.
torque it needs.
Oh yeah.
No, we're not.
No, we're
Just
not.
power through.
What was it? Okay, that noise is confirmed.
It's a beast.
We're all good.
Maybe it,
Rotate 90 degrees, Benji. Spin.
Not 90.
Not
We should go where it is. at
45 degrees.
Yep.
It's a monster. I love it.
Wait, shouldn't we go over at 90 and just then turn it again?
He's gonna go over it.
Go.
I don't know, but like,
Alright, hit it.
Straight.
try. We can try it with both. Try it both
You
ways.
try straight, just a test. Oh yeah.
It's just a sand.
Top
Won't do that if you go over 45.
Good point. Good point.
Yeah.
Oh,
You can turn on a dime. I love
Alright.
it.
he's a beast.
If we get past this edge,
We need points.
that's points.
Come on, Benji. You can do it.
Benji, you might get promoted. You can do this.
You'll be promoted to Alpha Driver 2. Brad, I'm
Oi.
sorry.
But I still need Brad to set it up.
Still Alpha Driver 3. Benji, you come at this one at a 35. Yeah, just come straight at it.
Driver 2.1.
Just pops right over it.
We don't need titles. We just need people who can drive it. Honestly.
45 is smoother.
That didn't sound good.
Still on.
No, don't worry about it.
No, it's off on this side.
We made it though.
We made it.
That's points.
We made it.
Okay,
Are
so
we
I
off?
think
Okay, we are off.
We have
over it
points.
straight.
We have points.
Points on the board, boys.
We have to go.
Much. What just happened was we had Brad here, set it up. We had Benji drive it, and what we did was we took the robot, we went at it straight on. We had to go over the curb. It was fine over the first one. It was a little bit of cracking or whatever. Then we had to go perpendicular over the second one. Worked like a charm. We had to go straight on coming at this third one. The back tread did come off, but all in all, made it to the end. Points on the board. That's all that matters.
Perfect.